Did you know that manufacturing is the second most commonly targeted industry by attackers? Many of these attacks are successful due to the vulnerabilities that exist in industrial control systems. In many cases, the attacker's endgame is to steal valuable intellectual property. However, did you know that many issues are not caused by external attacks, but are in fact the result of actions by employees or contractors? There are many risk factors to consider. First, there's connectivity. New business models related to the Industrial Internet of Things connect both the industrial and business networks to the Internet, expanding the attack surface. And let's not forget the automation layer. One of the easiest and most successful ways to launch an attack in a manufacturing facility is to change an automation's device program data. There are many products that claim to protect a facility from an attack, and although many are useful, no product can fully protect control logic from being changed inadvertently or maliciously. You might think that all you need is a properly configured firewall to protect the plant floor. Well, this isn't in fact true. It only takes one application within properly configured security to allow a breakthrough. Everything can be locked down so the plant is protected from malicious software. This isn't true either. Even with tight security, threats remain, like having to use old software to program older equipment. Do you think if a plant doesn't use much Ethernet protocol on the plant floor, then there is no risk? Because, you guessed it, this is wrong. Many proprietary protocols are old and insecure. Today, manufacturers and utility providers are making cybersecurity a greater priority, and we are too. MDT Autosave addresses a critical aspect of security not addressed by data access and network monitoring applications. Regardless if the threat is internal or external, MDT Autosave gives you the ability to prepare, detect, and recover. We prepare and secure your program's intellectual property by storing a copy of each program revision in a central repository. We detect if the program data on file does not match the program running in the device. The mismatch is detected, the difference is identified, and the appropriate people are notified. And we help you recover quickly if a potentially harmful program change has occurred. Immediate access to all program revisions enables the plant to quickly restore the latest approved program. An integrated approach to cybersecurity is necessary for comprehensive protection of your manufacturing plant. Let us secure your intellectual property today.